Okay, syempre, we proceed to candle blowing. Ayan. Syempre, kakantaan ulit natin ng happy birthday song si Ate Alexa. And count of 3. 1, 2, and 3. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, so malakas na happy birthday, Alexa.
Happy birthday, Alexa. Okay, so...
Okay, ayan. Alexa, blow the candle. Natatakot din siya kay Jollibee.
Make a wish first.
1, 2, 3.
Oh. Oh.
Okay.
So this time, let's hear a message from Mom and Dad for Alexa naman. Si Mami muna. Happy birthday. Wala, yun o, yun o.
Si Mama.
Mami.
Speechless. Happy birthday, Alexa. This is your first birthday and sana you will have many happier birthdays and good always to Mommy and Daddy and to all of your friends who are here. Okay, so we love you. Happy birthday.
Hep, hep. Hooray.
Hep hep. Hooray! Hep hep.
Si Jollibee.
Okay. So, from Daddy naman, message from Daddy.
Ah. I love you. Before I say my message first, I'd like to thank all our friends and family who are here today. Maraming palakpak po sa inyong lahat. Ayan. Mga matatagal namin hindi nakita, nandito ngayon. Peña family, thank you. Sila Elaine, sila Erica, sila Shine and family, maraming salamat. Ang Maligat family, ang Mansinido family, Fausto, at lahat-lahat po, ang Medina, Menida. At saka yung mami ko na hindi nakarating dito. Ma'am, papadala na lang namin sa iyo yung spaghetti, tsaka yung chicken.